armpits down, armpits to the waist. Portia. That's it. That's right. So armpits to the waist just connects the arms into the lap. So it's like push down here. There you go. Now lift up your body. Push down to lift. That's it. Feel that connection? Excellent. Now keeping that beautiful lift, rotate to the right. Just twist to the right with your back. This is pre-basic. Rotate to the right. Lifting your waist, similar to the hands here. And back to the center. Lift your waist. Twist to the left. Back to the center. Lift your waist. Twist to the right. Back to the center. Lift your waist. Twist to the left. Back to the center. Lift your waist. Now, rotate to the right and reach your left hand towards your right little toe. Reach down towards your little toe and reach forward 3 times. 1 and 2, like you're sawing your little toe off. Come back up to the center. And twist to the other side. Twist and reach 1, reach 2, reach 3, and up. Twist to the right and reach 1, reach 2, reach 3, and come back up. Twist to the left and reach 1, reach 2, reach 3, and come back up. Now going to ideal lift, twist to the right.
Okay.
You cracked up?
Yeah, I cracked my neck.
Okay, twist to the right. And really twist before you stop. Pull the right arm back, left shoulder forward. Now reach down towards the little toe and pull the right arm back. Reach and reach and reach. Now come up in a twist. Keep coming up. Look at your back hand. Keep stay twisted as you come up. Twist, twist, twist. And come back to the center. Yeah, see, I haven't seen that before. You rotate to the other side. And reach forward like a bow and arrow. The back arm pulls back as you reach forward. 1, reach 2, reach 3, and come up and twist. As you come up, center. First side, twist. And reach 1, reach 2, pull back and forward. Reach and come up, twisting and back to the center. Last one, twist and reach 1. Reach 2, reach 3, and twist to come up, and back to the center. Relax. Very, very nice.
Make you sweat.